Hello. I'm always excited to come up on this platform to show you the exciting things I've been doing. Today, we are going to learn something new, and I hope you are all doing very well, and you're also excited to see me coming out with something that really happened in the salon. The hairstyles we do in a salon, as our name implies, is all hair. So it means that if you subscribe to our channel and if you press the notification bell, you will never miss anything that happens in this salon. It's all hair and beauty salon, and a lot happens here. We do all type of hair. We do locks and everything. And as you've been following me, you know that we've been doing a lot on this platform, on this channel. And today, the locks is so exciting. I do a lot of locks in this salon. So don't forget, sit back and don't forget to forward this channel or video to a friend to also watch and learn something. Today we are going to do palm roll, how we palm roll locks in all hair and beauty salon. And all the products will be written down in the description box below. Don't forget to press the notification bell to receive all the training, and whatever we do here, you'll be the first person to receive it. Sit back, learn something new every day from all hair and beauty salon. Don't forget, we are not going to talk too much on this channel. Sit back, how I clean the scalp, the combs I use, the products I use, and everything. Once you watch, you can be expert. You can learn a lot from it. So sit back, call a friend, and watch this video together. This locks was done before the lockdown, somewhere in March, and we are doing back in July after we came back from the lockdown, and the growth is massive. And I've been doing her hair for 4 to 5 years now, and when she came back from the lockdown for her hair to be retwisted, she wanted a cut. So we've taken a lot of, it was longer than that, we've taken a lot of, she said that it's becoming too heavy. She got lots of hair and she said it's becoming too heavy, so we've taken a lot off. That's why you see that we've been doing it for 4 to 5 years, and this is a method I always use on her hair, and it's really perfect. I use natural products on hair, on natural oil for hair, and I use the leave-in conditioner. To get all the product, please watch till the end and go to the description box and check what we've used. And my clients always want to do a retwist and put them in plait, because she got that heavy hair, very thick hair, and when she put them in plait, she can enjoy the plait and style the plait, put pins in it and start the plait for 2 weeks, take that plait to work for 2 weeks, and take the plait out and enjoy the curly bit. You know, when you take your locks plait out, you know that curly, nice looking hair you get. She can also enjoy that for another 2 weeks. So in total, she can enjoy her locks without coming back to the salon for a month or more, depending on where she is going and depending on if she wants to come back and do the retwist. So that is another way of also maintaining your locks, but not going to the salon every 2 weeks to do the palm roll. So you can do your palm roll and put them in a plait and enjoy different styles for a while. And if you need any question anything that baffles your mind, please don't forget to send me a comment and comment on this video. If you need anything, all hair and beauty salon, we do almost everything under hairdressing. So if there's something that you've seen and you want us to take our time and come out with a video for that, please let me know. It can be any braiding, anything at all under hairdressing. Let me know, then we will show you how we do it in our salon. We are here to help each and everyone. There's nothing that you cannot do, even though I said I'm not going to talk, but you know me, I will always talk. There's nothing that you cannot do, and I always say that practice makes one perfect. Start it, keep doing it, pause the video, go back to it, check it. Have you started it and you cannot do it? Keep watching the video. It's free to watch it. We did it to help people out there like you to learn something new. So please, if you think you need to do any training, just go there. We are not charging anybody to do that. So go there and check it, and you will become like us. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to receive all the up and coming training. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye.